just overtook this guy. What am I doing? I'm riding like a pansy. I don't like riding too aggressive though, to be honest. People around here get fucking mad, end up pulling a gun on you, some stupid shit. And I don't got it, I don't got it, I don't got mine. I don't got my CPO yet. So, not dealing with it. I just feel like everybody is ready to throw their whole fucking life away over the silliest disputes, you know? It's crazy. I'm not. Not at all. Not at all. I got a lot to live for still, you know? And I got this guy going slow. People coming up in the mid, so I can't get over. We're going fucking 60 right now. What is happening? It is windy, my guys. It is windy. Very fucking windy. About I just wanted to make a little video. Probably just shut up now. Alright, see what happens. See what we include. Whatever I might end up coming up to talk about. Whatever pops into my mind. Yes, sir. Whipping me right now. Straight headwind. It's like a sideways headwind. It's very annoying. I don't even think a screen would help, or a windshield would help this, to be real. It's just pushing to the left side of my head. Drop a gear and go, queer. God, I want to be a douche and pass all these people. This is so nicely repaved, oh my lord. I've not been over here since they did this. And of course we gotta go fucking 40 through the turns. Bunch of fucking pansies. Dude, homie's out there on his little bike, I love it. Oh, that's fucking dope. God bless America, baby. That's all I can say. Come on now. Where I grew up, friends. The ye old trailer park. Right fucking like a mile down the road basically. Fucking kinda nostalgia. My wife lived in the one like right there. It's crazy. We didn't even know each other at that point. We lived like less than a half mile away from each other. We definitely probably interacted at some point when we were younger. It's just crazy to think about, you know. We could have known each other for at least 20 years. This is insane. Been together for 10 or 11 at this point. to walk up to that store and fucking buy Yu-Gi-Oh cards and Pokemon cards from the vending machine. And yeah, damn, that was like the pinnacle of life, as if you could go get some more Yu-Gi-Oh cards, man. Just maybe get one of them good cards. But of course, they were fucking like packs that the people made, so you were likely not getting anything good. All the good cards were already being pulled and sold off. But we were dumb and young and didn't know any different. So, good times, man. Good times. Go get monsters or candy, whatever else. God damn, it is so nice out. Let's go. I'm in a good mood, dude. Shit. Oh, it's elevating. Today is an elevating day. I don't know how to explain it other than that. It's a mood lifter. Beautiful weather. Good riding. Unfortunately, we've got some traffic, but it is what it is, man. We talked about this, and I'm not paying attention. It could have went very badly right there. You know, it has its niche. I feel like this content has its spot. It's got its place. Or I'm just trying to justify to myself that making videos to this extent is worth my time. I don't know. I do want to get out and just balls to the walls it though. Just rip. Go real fast. Sorry. Had an itch. Had a little itch. I remember when I was first trying to learn how to drive a manual coming up this hill in like rush hour traffic and shit in my pants because I thought I was gonna stall. Oh man. Good times. Nostalgic thoughts, really. Very nostalgic. My whole life is a nostalgia trip. That's all I'm doing. I'm just trying to fucking find the nostalgia. Oh boy, there's a concert tonight. Good thing we're going past. DTE Pine Knob Music Theater. I think it's actually just called Pine Knob Music Theater again. I don't know if they lost like their DTE partnership or what, but UWM and Ally. Oh, that was a cop. He pieced to me, so I got a piece back, bro. I wondered why he was riding the middle lane like that. I was about to say, bro, there's fucking cops. I almost did the head pat. Imagine I head pat a fucking goddamn moto cop. Holy shit. Oh, that would have been great. He'd be like, hey, you're not too smart there, bud, are you? And I'd be like, hey, no, dude, I'm pretty average. I like your Miata. Oh, shit. God, I want another car. I should probably finish my car first, you know? Both of them. They both need to be loved on, because right now my ST is not happy. That's for fucking sure. But it is what it is, man. overtook him in the fucking corner. Should have overtook him in the corner. Of course he's gonna fucking speed up in the passing zone because he's a fucking douchebag. Go, dude. Fucking retards everywhere, bro. For real.